and a massive congratulations because Max Verstappen won the race and he's a Max Verstappen fan.
Yes, go Max!
Well, I'll do it again. Come on, show some.
Go Max!
Hello everyone, we are at the stables for the Abu Dhabi GP, the finale race screening organized by Kaskai Mumbai, and it was a crazy race that we've witnessed, and with us we have a very hardcore fan, so if you could just introduce and tell us about the race.
Okay, hi, my name is Vibhor Gajbie and I've been supporting Sebastian Vettel since the inception when I started following the race 3 to 4 years ago. And today I was supporting Max Verstappen.
Alright.
As you know, like it was going head to head. It was going 369.5. Both the races were on the same point.
Yes.
You know how the entire season went, and the way the entire race went. It's just a crazy episode for Drive to Survive for Netflix.
Yes, I know, right? I mean, I think the entire season has been just like a Drive to Survive show, right? I mean, I don't think so we need Drive to Survive. I think Drive to Survive needs F1. I think it's the other way around now. It's been a crazy season. Describe the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix race in 3 words.
In 3 words, I think it was fantastic. The script was unwritten and just fabulous driving by both the drivers. It was just unexpected how it turned out to be, and really happy that Max won his first championship ever. So really happy for him.
Yeah. What are your thoughts? Did you think that Max Verstappen is gonna win the championship or the race?
So after Max got the pole position, I think we knew that Max would probably come with a good pit stop strategy, supporting by Perez. But as you saw in the first run itself that Hamilton took over, there was somewhere in the back of our mind that probably Hamilton will win it. But we were supporting Max all over. So it good how it turned out in the last 2 races after the virtual safety car, and it just amazing after that.
Yeah, it was really unbelievable. I think till lap 50, 51 or 52, it was just like a plain straightforward Lewis Hamilton win, I think, and he had the title in his hands, and then all of a sudden, I think this is Formula 1, guys. Anything can happen. It's not over till it's over. I think that's the line that I would like to say here. We didn't expect the race to end like that, and so what was the highlight of the race for you?
So the highlight of the race for me was when one of the crashes happened after Mike Schumacher pushed one of the drivers, and we expected it to be a red flag, but it did not happen. So it was just a crazy atmosphere at the screening because there was 300 plus people, so we didn't figure out how the commentary was going on, who was speaking what, so we were constantly on our phones checking what lap by lap commentary was. But the highlight of the race for me was when in the last 2 laps just Max with the soft tire just took over Hamilton, and it was just fantastic.
Yeah, I think that was a very big gamble by Red Bull to pit Max Verstappen for the second time for the soft tires, and even for the first time, I think the second time definitely for the soft tires. The third time, right? I think they pitted for the third time.
They pitted for the third time.
Yeah, the third time, sorry. And I think even the second time was a big gamble, and I think they had to do that. And it all played in their hands. I think the safety car, I think there was a notice that lapped cars cannot overtake. And in the end, the second last lap, I think the safety car, there was a notice that lapped cars can overtake, and Lando Norris, I think there were 2 cars that overtook the safety car. And then we all know what happened. So run us through your emotions as Max Verstappen. You support Max Verstappen. What was your emotion after you saw Max Verstappen winning the championship?
We are just way too emotional right now. We are ordering drinks left, right and center because we are celebrating Max's winning race as compared to our other friends who joined us for the screening who were supporting Hamilton. and we are quite emotional in terms of how the streak was broken. We are happy that now the 7 World Championship title is equal to the one with Schumacher, and we are glad that Hamilton could not get the chance to break that streak, and good future ahead for Max.
Yes, I think we are witnessing a completely young era that's coming up for race wins and championships. I think there's the likes of Charles Leclerc, George Russell is next year in Mercedes. Then we've got Carlos Sainz in the Ferrari and Lewis Hamilton in the Mercedes again. It's going to be a hell of a season next year for sure. There'll be a lot of young guns who can again win the championship, plus the rules regulations changing. So I think anyone's win next year, the championship. So yeah, if you could just sum up your race thoughts and the race experience. How's the race experience here?
Oh, I've been coming to these screenings. I've been part of the organizing bit, and now I'm the one experiencing the screening. But it's just fantastic how I remember we all started with around 20 people watching the race together, and now just crazy 300 plus people at the same venue. And it's not just here; it's all across the Bombay.
Yes.
It's just fantastic how Drive to Survive has helped us, gain awareness about the sport.
Yes.
And it's just crazy to share that sort of thought with other people who have just started watching the race.
Yes, exactly. I think a big heads up to Kasarkai Mumbai for organizing the race screenings. Like he rightly said, Vibhor, we were just 10 of us, I think, who came up for the first race right in 2017 or 2018, if I'm not mistaken. And today in 2021, we were like 350 at a venue. And the races screenings were happening all over India. I think a massive credit goes to Drive to Survive for bringing in new fans to the sport. And I think there were literally like 15-20 screenings literally happening all over India. That's a very big win for Formula 1 in India. And I hope everyone watching, whether you're watching at home with your family, friends, or F1 enthusiasts, I hope everyone enjoyed the race. And a massive thank you to Vibhor as well for sharing your thoughts, and a massive congratulations because Max Verstappen won the race, and he's a Max Verstappen fan.
Yes, go Max!
We'll have to do it again. Come on, show some.
Go Max!
Thanks a lot, Vibhor, for your kind words. Yeah, have fun. Yeah.